Hi friends! Today we are going to learn how to draw different 2D ships and how to write names of the ships. A diamond, rectangle, circle, triangle, star, oval, square, D-I-A-M-O-N-D, diamond. R-E-C-D-A-N-G-L-E, rectangle. C-I-R-C-L-E, circle. D-R-I-A-N-G-L-E, triangle. S-T-A-R, star. O-V-A-L, oval. S-Q-U-A-R-E, square. Let's do multicolor in all shades. Green, purple, pink, orange, yellow, red, blue, See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe.